Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build content management systems with Wix easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Wix website and creating an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on Create New Site. Choose a category that best fits your project. After selecting a category, you will be prompted to choose between using Wix ADI or the editor. If you prefer more control, select the editor option. Once in the editor, click on Add from the left toolbar. Select Pages to create new pages for your content management system. To add a new page, click on the plus icon. Name your page based on the type of content you will manage. Repeat this process for each page you plan to include in your CMS. Next, customize your pages by adding text, images, and other elements. Use the Add button to insert sections like galleries or blogs. For blog management, select Blog from the Add menu and follow the prompts to set it up. To organize your content, click on the Lists feature in the Add menu. This allows you to create categories or tags for easier navigation. Once your pages and content are set up, focus on navigating to the Settings menu. In the Settings, configure SEO settings to optimize your site for search engines. Make sure to add relevant keywords and descriptions for each page. Now, it's time to set up user permissions if you want multiple contributors. Go to Members in the settings and allow certain users to access specific pages. After configuring everything, preview your site using the Preview button. Make any necessary adjustments based on how it looks in the preview. When satisfied, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Your content management system is now live and ready for use. Monitor the performance of your site through the Wix dashboard. Regularly update your content to keep it engaging and if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.